guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something to prepare us for the upcoming fall Halloween season. We are in a new layout. I'm trying a couple different angles because usually I film like in my little makeup vanity, but today I'm not doing makeup. I'm doing like an unboxing. So this is the Porcelain Wolf Going to Camp Blood Box, which is a Friday the 13th theme. I'm super pumped because that is one of my top favorite horror films of all time. All time. I do apologize for the glare. Next time I order glasses, I just burped and excuse me. Next time I order glasses, I will get the anti-glare. I was just on a budget this time, so sorry. Alright, let's get to it. So the package comes like this in the mail. Don't be looking at my address. Anyways, package comes like this in the mail. Fragile, okay. You open. Oh gosh, okay. Oh my gosh. Open it up. Ta-da! Ooh. It smells like a lake. That's all I'm gonna say. You open it up, and we have pine cone. There's that. And then there's another pine cone. That's pretty cool. I like that detail. So I'm just gonna like kind of set it here and I'm gonna pull things out as I go. The first thing I see that I'm so excited about is this Jason pin, which I'm super pumped about. I love this. I want to get a pin board in here so that I can put all my pins in because I always lose them if I put them on my bags or my clothes or something, so I'd rather just like put them somewhere, but that is super exciting. I love it. Okay, so there's that. Next, have a Jason air freshener. 2 ghouls press. I don't know what that means, but I can't smell it yet. That's exciting. Okay, next. Oh my gosh, there's a few things. Okay, so I'll do this first. Welcome to Porcelain Wolf Killer Travel Kit. Like this. Let's open it up. Hold it. Let's see. What is this? Shampoo. Let's see. I don't see anything special. I don't know the flavor. And it's sealed, so I can't open it. But this is cute. It's like a little shampoo. I'm gonna guess the other little things go with it in here. Let's see. Conditioner. Gotta have that. Next. Oh, a little bar soap. Porcelain Wolf. I don't remember where I saw them from. And I saw one of their boxes. I was like, oh, that's really cool. I think it was the American Psycho box. And I was really mad because I missed that. I really like that movie, even though it's pretty vulgar. Whatever. And so I ordered this one Friday, the Going to Camp Blood Box. I'm super excited. Next, we have the Killer Body Butter. That's exciting. Oh my gosh. I'm going to open these things in a second so I can tell you what they are like. Okay. Next, we have a bath bomb with a little machete on the top. You see that? It's called Limited Edition Welcome to the Lake Bath Bomb. That's exciting. Next, oh, this is cute. Okay, so it looks like a little VHS tape. See? And it's matches. OMG. How freaking cute. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. That's cool. That's awesome. These will probably just be used for decoration. I might use 1 or 2, but like this will be used for like a prop or something. Like it'll be on display. That's all I know. All right, and that is it for the box. So they have a little thingamajig in here. So we got the Welcome to the Lake bath bomb. Got the Killer Body Butter, Killer Travel Kit. There was 2 different kinds of pins we could have got. The one we got was a classic hockey mask pin. There's another kawaii glitter hockey pin. I don't know if you can really tell the difference on here. 2 different pins. There's the Friday the 13th VHS Matchbox, and then the air fresheners. There are 2 different ones. I got the cinnamon roll, and then the other one is pine or vanilla. see. I got this one. They had that one in there too. I'm happy with the cinnamon roll because I love everything that smells like desserts. So, pretty excited. Let's try and open this, shall we? Let me see. It doesn't say what it smells like. It just smells fresh. It just smells fresh. It doesn't have like a food scent or anything. It just smells like fresh. So, I'm just going to smell the shampoo. I'm not going to open the other things because I'm assuming they have the same scent, as the shampoo is the same color as the soap. So bad at opening things. It's disgusting. The shampoo off my lip. That was really gross. It just smells like fresh, like lake, I guess. So that's exciting. I love that. This will be really good, like when I need to, like next week we're going to Michigan, help my mom move. And this will be nice to just like grab and take with me because I have like the big jars of like Love, Beauty, and Planet and I don't like squeezing them into travel, whatever. So this works. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I probably will not be getting September's box because the theme is I Killed the Teen Dream, Deal with It. And number one, I don't know what movie that's from. Number two, like I said, I don't know what it's from, so I probably like wouldn't enjoy it, whatever. But I think they said that October they're going to bring back their Halloween Traditions box, and it's going to be Trick or Treat themed. If you've seen that movie, you know what I'm talking about. It's a really good movie. I'm super pumped. So I think I'm going to order that one for sure. I have one more unboxing that'll hopefully be getting here soon. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.